I thrust my hands into my pockets when it is cold every day. I am thrusting the key into the stiff lock right now. I have just thrust the letter into his hand. I have been thrusting through the crowd for 10 minutes. I thrust the sword into the straw dummy at practice yesterday. I was thrusting the door open when the handle broke. I had thrust the papers into my bag before I ran for the train. I had been thrusting the shovel into the frozen ground for an hour before it gave. I will thrust the flag into the summit snow tomorrow. I will be thrusting and parrying at fencing class all evening. I will have thrust every box onto the top shelf by noon. By June, I will have been thrusting weights overhead at the gym for a year.